Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking air-fried lemongrass chicken. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we are going to prepare the marinade. I have with me over here 4 pieces of lemongrass using only the white stem, 2 pieces of garlic, just cut them coarsely like this, 1 thumb size of young ginger, coarsely cut up, 4 pieces of shallots, also coarsely cut up. Put them in your food processor or blender. If you don't have a food processor, you can of course pound them with a mortar and pestle. Add in 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you do not have fish sauce, you can replace this with soya sauce, but it's advisable to use fish sauce for this umami taste. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey. If you do not have honey at home, you can always replace with brown sugar or cane sugar. Add in also 40 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. This will make the blending easier. And finally, a few dashes of white pepper. And now all we have to do is start to blend them. The blending is done now. I'll show you how they look like. This is what we want. I'll show you the next step in a while. Now we'll start to marinate our chicken. I have with me over here 550 grams of boneless chicken leg. I've made some cuts on the thicker part so that they will cook better and more evenly, as well as to absorb the marinade better. Now we just pour everything in. Scrape everything out. This is really going to be super flavorful. Using a clean pair of hands, massage the marinade into the chicken gently. After you are done with this, just put this in the fridge, and we need to marinate this for at least an hour, preferably overnight. I'll see you back in a while. We have marinated the chicken overnight and it's time to air fry them. Before you air fry them, remember to remove the chicken from the fridge at least half an hour before you air fry them, and of course to remove most of the marinade from the skin, otherwise they will burn easily. I'm using an air fryer, but of course you can use an oven also. I'll let you know the temperature in a while. So we just place this in, spread it out so that they will be cooked evenly. My air fryer is not big enough, so I'm going to air fry them in 2 batches. Put the chicken into the air fryer. We'll air fry this first at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And I'll show you the next step after this. 10 minutes is up, let's have a look. The chicken is partially cooked already. We just need to brown this further. Now in case you're using an oven to roast the chicken or bake the chicken itself, please heat up your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for at least half an hour before you place them in for another 20 minutes. Now we'll air fry this for the second time. At 180 degrees Celsius, we'll air fry this for another 5 minutes and then we'll check on the chicken. 5 minutes is up, let's have a look. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. We'll proceed to air fry our second batch and it will be time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. I can smell the beautiful fragrance from the lemongrass, the shallots, the garlic. This is going to be really good. tender, juicy, full of flavor. This is really, really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow. Very nice.